This is a callus. Not damage, protection. Every time the same spot takes pressure, the skin answers by thickening, layer over layer, until it turns pale and hard. Underneath, it looks like this: dead skin cells packing down and drying out. The more friction the skin takes, the more it stacks, and the stiffer that top plate becomes. That plate is what the file takes off. Warm water first, to soften what is about to come off. One pass never clears it. It comes away in fine dust, a little more each time. That is the heel. The ball of the foot carries just as much. The rough edges lift away flat, and the split closes behind them. Smooth enough to move with the foot again, instead of tearing. Clean skin, back to soft. No blade, no force, just patience. That is the hard skin dealt with. The deeper problem is when that dry skin starts to split. "2,000 Arahat mantles. 2 feet. 1 cause under both. Skin doing its job a little too well. Now you have seen how it forms and how it comes off.